Hi everyone! Welcome to Şakır Şakır İngilizce. In this grammar lesson, we are going to study the adverbs of definite frequency. Let's watch the video. How often means with what frequency. I want to know the frequency you do something. How often is generally used in the simple present tense. For example, how often do you travel? How often does she brush her teeth? We use some adverbs or period of time to respond to these questions. For example, I sometimes travel. Sometimes shows an indefinite time. We do not exactly know a certain period. It's indefinite. She brushes her teeth 3 times a day. Here, 3 times a day shows an exact frequency. When someone asks you a question with how often, you normally respond with an adverb of definite frequency. And how can we express it? We use the following structure: number plus times plus a plus a time period. Once a day, twice a week, 3 times a month, 4 times a year. Be careful. There is an exception with the 2 first numbers. We do not say 1 time. No, we say once. And we do not say 2 times. We say twice. Once a day, twice a week, 3 times a month, 4 times a year. The time period is a single noun. Be careful. Day, not days. Week, not weeks. Some examples. I go shopping once a week. She visits the dentist twice a year. We brush our teeth 3 times a day. David plays soccer 4 times a month. Another common way of expressing frequency is by using every plus a time period. Notice that the time period is a singular noun. Every day, every week, every month, every year. Instead of saying every day, you can say daily. Be careful of the spelling of this word. And of course, you can say weekly and monthly too. With the word year, it is much more common to say annually instead of saying yearly. Look at these examples. The library is open daily, or you can say the library is open every day. They visit a museum every week, or you may say they visit a museum weekly. We pay the electricity bill every month, or we pay the electricity bill monthly. He should renew his contract annually. This means he should renew his contract every year. Another possibility is using every plus number plus a time period. Be careful. This time, here we use a plural noun. Every 2 days, every 3 weeks, every 4 months, every 5 years. Let's see some examples. The nurse have to take her temperature every 5 hours. There is a leap day every 4 years. February 29th is the leap day. The students publish a magazine every 2 weeks. The British people say fortnight instead of 2 weeks. Fortnight is 15 days. Once a week, 3 times a month, 4 times a year. Every day, daily, every week, weekly, every month, monthly, every year, annually, every 2 days, every 3 weeks, every 4 months, every 5 years. Where did the adverbs of definite frequency take place? Did you notice? Good job! They were all at the end of the sentences. However, if you want to emphasize the frequency, you may also use them at the very beginning. Definitely. This is me, and it's my own painting. I sometimes paint. Sometimes? Oh, I know. It doesn't show an exact time. Sometimes can be once a week, once a month, or once a year. You see, it's indefinite. So, for the next video, we'll talk about adverb of indefinite frequency. Thanks for watching. I hope you've learned adverbs of definite frequency and how to ask the frequency to someone to do something. How often do you watch Şakır Şakır İngilizce? Did you subscribe the channel? If not, please click the like button and subscribe so that I can be sure you like this lesson. Goodbye.